Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tangela and today we're going to talk about some of the best affordable eyeshadow palettes for beginners that won't break the bank but gives you that great color payoff. As you know, we're always looking for eyeshadows that are not chalky and have a great color payoff. And so true to color, because sometimes what you see is not always what you get when you apply it to your eyes. We're going to start today with a oldie but goodie, which is my Coastal Scents Hot Pots. And this is the palette that I created. You also can purchase this little compact and add your hot pots to it. And these are what we call a hot pots. They are removable eyeshadows. The price range from $2.25, but they go on sale in November for 90 cents. They also have a great blush palette. And these are the colors that I have in my Coastal Hot Pots. They're a little bit vibrant, but I was going for a different feel, you know, a little bit more color, add some color to your life. So this is my Coastal Scent Hot Pots. And I did buy the palette separate. And this is my Coastal Scents blush palette. They also have great blush palettes. They range from $7.50 on sale. For the regular price, they are $10. And this is how the Coastal Scent palettes look, blush palettes look. Next we have Makeup Revolution. They have such a variety of palettes, range from neutrals to hot pinks to neon colors and everything in between. It goes from shimmers to mattes, and the color payoff are very great and they are very affordable. It reminds me of BH Cosmetics. I have a palette right here, which is the Revolution palette, and this one is called Reloaded Visionary. And I have 15 eyeshadow colors right here. Yes, I did have to count them. I have 15 eyeshadow palettes right here. This was a Christmas gift that I have never used. And I love the colors. The price range on these are on the webpage at Ulta is $7. Next we have the Crown Case Watch Me Blush Palette. When I say I was blown away by this palette, I was blown away by this palette. These are the colors right here. They are very, very pigment. It can be used as a blush. It can be used as a highlighter. And the color payoff is beautiful. It's for all skin tones. You can do a simple look to a bold look, a complete look in one eyeshadow palette with the colors. Not to mention, the brand is from someone from my hometown in New Orleans. This palette retails for $18 and can be purchased online at thecrowncase.com. Please be aware that the Crown Case have some of the best sales I've ever seen. So check them out. I'm going to do a swatch on this palette so you can see what I'm talking about. We're going to swatch this color Sweetest Tea right here. Look at that. I'm going to swatch this color called Outsider, which is this beautiful blue. And I'm just swiping my hand one time. That's what I'm getting from this palette. This palette is very, very pigmented. And you get a full-size mirror, which is good. But not least, the infamous Juvia's Paste palettes. They go from neutral to bold to bright colors. If you love colors, then this palette is for you. So today we're going to start off with the neutral palette, which is the Nubian palette. It retails for $12. This is an everyday look palette. And this is how the palette looks. This is by a black-owned brand. And this is the cover of the palette. It gives you some African themes as you go through. And this is how the palette looks in the inside. Very neutral colors, which is very nice on the skin. It is Brown girl, skin friendly. White girl, skin friendly. Caucasian girl, skin friendly. Asian girl, skin friendly. Whatever skin friendly you want to do, that is for you. So, and this palette, I say the palette retails for $12. You can get it on sale as well. This is the everyday. It goes from shimmer to matte shades. The next, and it's a warm color palette. Next we have the Warrior palette. It's similar to the Nubian palette, but it showcases more gold tones and a hint of neutral tones for the queens, which has shimmers as well as mattes. And some eyeshadows can be used as highlighters as well. And this is how the package look. Very beautiful, very, very bold. And these are the colors. You have your gold tones, like I said. The Warrior palette retails for $20. Next, I show you a little bit palette that costs a little bit more than the others, which is the Magic palette. It showcases pastel colors and retails for, I think, $21 if I'm not mistaken. It does go on sale as well. And this is how the mini palette looks, the outside. And these are the colors. You have a few matte shades, maybe your transition shades, and you have those beautiful shimmers. You can search Instagram to see who have discount codes. This company has discount codes to offset the pricing if needed. They do offer blush palettes. The one blush palette that I have that is my skin tone friendly, that I think is skin tone friendly to me, is the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And this is how the outside of the package look. And these are the colors right here. You get 6 pans, which are very, very pretty. The color payoff is pretty as well. I'm going to swatch this blush. And that is it. And that is the blush. Beautiful. The Saharan palette retails for $18. It gives you the 6 colors as I stated. And they can be purchased at Juvia'sPlace.com or in the stores at Ulta Cosmetics. I don't have this. I have this palette right here also. It's the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. And this is how the outside of the palette looks. And these are the colors on the inside. It's a little bit toned down compared to the Magic Mini, which is very good. You get your little neutral transition colors right there. You get a lot of mattes in here. You have the shimmers. You could use these two as a highlighter, as well as this one as a highlighter as well. Let me know what you think about my selection of affordable eyeshadow and blush palettes for beginners that won't break the bank. In the comment box below, and let me know if you know of any affordable beginners eyeshadow palettes or blush palettes, any brands for beginners. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video if you like it. See you next time and stay fabulous.